The GoPowerSports Ranch, home of the GPS 180 and testing ground for Andrew Porter's Megalodon. Will he approve of this mini bike that started out as a stock Megamoto 212, now upgraded with full suspension and a built 225?
On your mark, get set.
Will it be enough for the 180 track?
Go.
Finally got him his bike.
Finally got him too.
Thank you for putting up with that overly dramatic intro. Just wanted to give y'all a behind-the-scenes sneak peek at the media team and what we do.
So let's try to keep this going right here. Let's try to keep you next to it so I can film you.
Where are we going?
Let's do another lap.
So we invited Andrew Porter out here to test out his Megalodon, which is a Megamoto 212 mini bike with our swing arm, front suspension kit, and this one has a few other things done to it or taken off of it to make it more Andrew proof for the GPS 180. Full build video coming soon. It's always fun to try and stack content at the ranch. It's also pretty cool to get to just kick it with the homies. Your fancy gear.
Hey, you never know. You never know what you're going to need. Okay, so the Luma backpack is water resistant.
Is it?
Because I wore it the whole first day it rained in Disney.
And it worked out well.
And I was like, man, this is totally badass. And by the end of the night, I came back and saw that I didn't close all my zippers.
Oh no! Anything get wet?
Everything got
But yeah, this is awesome.
Yeah. Well, hopefully, Bernie, you can hear us in this outro with all this wind going on. This year, in November, Andrew Porter is going to be here ripping on this ultimate race machine. We'll see you later.
So we got some content stacked up. Videos taken, photos snapped. Let's load up these mini bikes and head back to headquarters. Get a few more shots in. Alright, back at headquarters. I'm gonna check with the team to see if I can steal a few bikes from out front first. First up, I'm grabbing Flacco's Rascal GT. Also gonna grab Dollar Bill. And in the shop, we have our Super 80 kit. Somewhere in here. Here it is. Next, just waiting for Jason to drop off the Megalodon.
Rascal GT, of course, it's Flacco's.
Just gonna grab a few photos, videos for reels, and other short form content.
I'm gonna wait till Devin gets back, and I'm gonna have him park back this way so I can get photos.
Did you take that up to Starbird?
I did. Yeah, oh man, some great feedback on it. What up, what up?
So a little while ago at the Starbird Car Show in Tulsa, Oklahoma.
It's a little different.
Man,
Yeah.
that looks fresh.
I brought the Doodle Bug, which makes this my first time participating in a mini bike show.
Now she gets to knock out this beautiful piece here, that Bernie's bike, yeah. Flacco just finished. We'll see it here detailed in just a little while.
Had a great time with Jack Ramsey and the Mini Bike Coalition. This event is such a huge supporter of the mini bike community. Full event video coming soon.
Let me get you, if I can, like tucked into that more, or yeah. Hell yeah. That's usually reserved for Tiff. Shouts out to Devin and Flacco for always letting me use their trucks as a backdrop. A look. Yeah, look, we can turn this. Everything's looking good. Thank you, sir. Yep. Let me go grab Harlan, my model for the day. What up? You ready to be my model?
Yep.
What you doing, Xanifer?
Could I steal you guys for like 25 minutes to just watch through? It doesn't have all the transitions and stuff in.
Okay, nope, we'll be back in like 10. So I'm just gonna have you maybe come around this way. Here, walk it right, lined up right with this line.
Like
so
the wheels lined up this
yeah,
way?
yeah. Okay. Boom, right here. And action. Dang, can't use that track. Something else I'm trying to do a lot of is take photos. Here I have my A6000. It says 24 2.8. Right now I'm using this as my everyday carry. You know how people have EDCs? Like, this is my EDC. Zane's about to reveal his masterpiece to us.
Oh, and also I'm going to show you this video.
Bobby, over Facebook Marketplace.
Like the worst head.
If I go out first round this year, mark my words, I'm just leaving that son the line.
Okay.
Sorry. I'll be so fed up with it.
And on that note, that concludes today's podcast.
I'm
it really
sorry,
does.
guys. I'm
No,
sorry.
you're fine. The FCC is already bringing down our neck.
No, the FBI is waiting for you outside.
Yeah,
Sorry,
Let
Paul.
them take me.
I need a day off. But Paul, thank you so much for hanging out with us. Thank you for,
no contest.
We also just had the season opener for our DFW mini bike drag racers. It was good seat time for those participating in the GPS 660. The 660 is right after the Pull Start Picnic on April 12th and 13th. Hope to see y'all there. Doing a little content creation, practicing getting our lighting right. We also have everybody getting their stuff together. We got the signs, getting the sound system together. Let me show you what I'm doing on the inside. Last year we gave every bike a little photo shoot, and we plan on doing that again this year. We'll be shooting everything inside this tent, so we want to make sure that we get the lighting right in here. All of that and more is what happens behind the scenes. We have Pull Start, 660, and Pate coming up. So if you see me, come say what's up, get your photo taken, or hop in one of our videos.